Welcome to DIY Solar and Wind. So since I got 300 subscribers in a month, all my tips are in these shout out videos. This is shout out number 6. So if you watch all the videos, you're gonna get it. So if this is your first time to DIY Solar and Wind, go ahead, subscribe, click that bell. If you want to learn how to take your house off-grid one solar panel at a time or one paycheck at a time through the years, it's taken me 8.5 years to get 26 solar panels. This is only half of them. So it's in the link below. And the link is in the description how I started the first 8 solar panels for the off-grid system. But here is the shout out to all of my great subscribers, leaving comments and everything. Guy Daniels. This guy has cerebral palsy, if I remember right, but he still does a lot of videos. He still gets out of the house. He does a lot of things. Like watching his videos. He gets creative. Jeff Bragg. Hey, you got on the list the second time. Good job. He's got a lot of solar. He's got a better system than me. There's Kirk Miller, DNS Adventures, Brenda G's Designs, Stan Last. I think he's on his second time on the list. He needs subscribers. Put comments in there for him to learn how to grow his channel. I think he only got 3 or 15 people in the last 3 years. Give him a helping hand. Like, share, subscribe, click that bell. Help him out. Modern Off-Grid Blueprint. And the Hands-On channel. That's it for this. No tips on this one. It's cold. Like, share, comment. And yeah, hit that link down in the description. Learn how to take it off, go off grid, one solar panel at a time. Thank you. Have a nice sunny day.